Alright, just a quick PSA to all you folks out there. So, I just worked really hard to get this rack in, and I had to take it out. So my advice to you is when you take out your steering rack, also, or if you're even replacing your steering rack, whenever you're taking out your steering rack and you have to disconnect this, just disconnect it directly from the frickin' pump. So from this point right here, you got to take your alternator cover off, but that's just a bolt. That way you can access it a lot better, because for hours and hours I was fumbling trying to get this damn fitting in, and I just couldn't do it. But as soon as I got it off the car, it took me like a minute. So yeah, just please do that. Don't make the same mistake that I did. You also got to take this off, but that's not really a challenge. Yeah. The rack is back in. All the lines are hooked up. It's mostly, well, it's torqued down. I just need to put some other stuff on, but right now I'm going to put the tie rods on. Okay, so fast forwarding a little bit here. I've managed to put one of the control arms in. So yeah, you can see the roll center adjustment kit in there and the anti-lift kit, but the other side I need to wait on a bolt because I kind of stripped one, so that's probably going to be a couple of days. But in the meantime, I'm going to put on the sway bar. Okay, so this project has kind of turned into a what can I fix type of thing. So first thing I did while I'm waiting on the other stuff is I pulled my windshield washer fluid tank. There's a big crack running along this seam here because some idiot did a hit and run on my car a little over a year ago, and I'm finally getting it fixed. I think I'm just gonna try and use some sort of adhesive for now and hope that works, but a new one shouldn't be too expensive. And then other than that, I am going to be draining some fluids. I have not done my trans fluid in a while, my trans oil, so I need to do that. And I'm not sure, it's been about 6 months since I've done my engine oil, so I should probably do that. I need to check the kilometers, but I want to be safe. And I also need to do my rear diff at some point. So yeah, I'll just kind of see where it goes. But yeah, I'm just waiting on that one bolt so that I can put the control arm back in, because I really stripped it. Okay, so I got the sway bar put on along with some of the brackets. Just need to hook up the end link there, and then I gotta still wait on that bolt for the control arm so I can put the control arm in. What I'm working on now is I'm just cleaning this up, but as y'all can see, there's the crack. That was kind of bad in the winter when I need to use my wipers a lot, so I'm going to try and repair that. Alright, so my dad came in and helped me with this. We used some JB Weld and it should be good. I think I'm going to put some water in it just to test before I do anything else to see if there's any leaks, but yeah, I'm hoping that we're all good. Okay, so I got the reservoir in. I actually had to go to the junkyard and get a different one because this was still leaking. And good news, I have my bolts that I need. So I'm going to take out the bolt that's holding in the where is it? Down here, that one. I'm gonna take out that bolt, and then I'm gonna put the control arm in over here, and then put in the bolt, and we should be good to go. Alright, fast forward a couple of days. The driver's side control arm is in, sway bar and end links are on, and now that's all that's left to do is some other stuff. Okay, so it's been a couple of days. I had to take a break because I had to do some festivities, but I ran into a big issue with my exhaust. I had snapped a bolt when I took it off from the where this, like, the first cat meets up with the secondary cat and bolts to the mid pipe. That was a problem, so I had to rethread it, use my tap and die set, or my dad's tap and die set. Yeah. Start
Probably.
most of the exhaust. I don't want to get my seats dirty.
Well, on the bright side, you can't hear your throwout bearing squeal anymore.
Okay, so I have put the wheels back on and I've dropped it down to the ground. Now all I need to do is torque the front wheels and I should be good to test drive. But I'm thinking this is going to be... Actually, there is one thing I need to do. And that is, I am going to implement this white line sticker onto my car, seeing as how it has a lot of white line parts now. I only have one other sticker on my car, and this one's pretty low key, so I think we should be good. Okay, there is the final mod of the day. Yeah. Okay, that's it for the Subaru for now. My next video on it is going to be after the alignment, because it's pulling to the right a bit. And I'm going to dedicate a whole video to the mod list because I've done a lot of stuff there. But right now, I'm starting again on the 911 SC. So there's going to probably be a video about that, a part 2. Yeah.